Okay. Yan. Hi everyone, good evening. So I guess meron lang tayong technical difficulty. That's why the video stopped. So by the way, before anything else, I'd like to greet everyone a pleasant evening. And first and foremost, thank you for choosing to spend your evening with us. So I'm excited to share that this marks the event our team has conducted this month. So pang-tatlong event na siya. And even more exciting events are on the horizon. So by the way, let me just introduce myself. My name is Joana Blanca Ramos. I am the Customer Support Associate of First Metro Securities based in Mindanao. So, okay. Let me just check my other devices. So aside from me, we are also joined tonight by Andre from the marketing team. Okay, so before we start, let's just get the energy flowing before we kick off tonight's webinar. So I'd love to hear from you. So say if you want to share your thoughts, the Zoom chat is always ready. I also want you to prepare your questions because later we will be doing a live Q&A. And also, I want you to show some excitement in the Zoom by sending some reactions. So say meron kayo nagustuhan na feature ng FirstMetroSec Go Up, why not give it a thumbs up or a heart reaction? So let's elevate the energy and make this session as engaging and interactive as a face-to-face event. So let's dive in dun sa first question. So why did you join this webinar? So could you please answer your thoughts or share your thoughts sa ating Zoom chat? So bakit ba kayo sumali sa webinar na to? Okay. Let me hear some thoughts. Yan. For Sir Michael, it's for learning. Yes, the goal of this webinar is for us to utilize the FirstMetroSec GO app. So for the next question, it's answerable actually by yes or no lang. So is accessibility and security a priority for you? Yes. So we have an additional answer here from Sir Arvin. So in case there are features in the app that we do not know. So yes, for Miss Elaine, it's a yes. And so we are receiving feedbacks already. Next question. Would you like to experience the convenience of trading on the go? Yan. So thank you so much for your feedback. Okay. So if you've answered a resounding yes to all those questions, then this webinar is tailor-made for you. Because did you know that at First Metro Securities, you can easily manage all your investments in stocks, REITs, ETFs, REITs and mutual funds, and bonds with just one account. So ganun lang siya kasimple. Kasi First Metro Securities has earned numerous accolades as the best online trading platform for a reason. So let me introduce to you the platforms of First Metro Securities. So we have here the FirstMetroSec My platform, which is accessible to all our clients. Next, we have the FirstMetroSec Pro, which is the most advanced online stock trading platform. And lastly, meron tayong FirstMetroSec Go. So the FirstMetroSec Go is actually you are carrying the market in your pocket. So it is redesigned to give you a convenient, fast, and advanced trading experience. So join me tonight as I delve into the key features of the FirstMetroSec Go, focusing on for the first feature, we have the account security. So sa account security, we will uncover the step-by-step process of creating your FirstMetroSec account with guided assistance, and we will also learn a deep understanding of the security measures in place to safeguard your investments. Next, we have the trading functionality. So we will be able to navigate how to do the stock trading and also learn the efficient methods for buying and selling stocks, and also grasp the nuances of various order types. Next feature we will discuss is the real-time data and research. So we will discover the secrets to accessing real-time market data and research tools. So just stay ahead of the curve with insights into the latest market trends and news. So lastly, portfolio management. So we will master the art of effective investment, and also we will explore the strategies for diversification, risk management, and long-term growth. So to those who haven't downloaded the app yet, you can just simply scan the QR code displayed on your screen for quick access. Okay. Let me also share my screen and we will start with the navigation. So by the way, I will be doing a live navigation of the FirstMetroSec GO. Okay. Okay. Let me just confirm. Can you see my screen already? Okay. Thank you so much. So to access the FirstMetroSec GO app, well, before, you need first to download. So search nyo lang yung FirstMetroSec GO. Okay, so this is the interface of the FirstMetroSec GO app. So sa details you will see here your username, your password, and then the login. So should you have an account with us, all you need to do is input those credentials. And if ever you forgot your username and your password, so you just click this 24/7 help desk. And also to those who do not have an account with FirstMetroSec yet, account opening is easy. You just click the sign up now. So let me just log in. Okay. Yan. So, ito na yung ating FirstMetroSec GO app. So, just to save some bandwidth, let me just turn off my video. Okay, so let's focus now on the FirstMetroSec GO app, and I will also be activating some spotlight. Okay. So let us first start doon sa upper left part ng ating FirstMetroSec GO app. So ito yun siya. So you just click on this. You will see here, you can retrieve the data or details of your stocks. And soon, pwede na din po yung funds and the account. Okay, so let's explore the contact info. So doon sa contact info, you will see details of our customer service, ang aming email. You will also see the address of our head office. We also have office in Cebu and in Davao. So sa mga taga Visayas and taga Mindanao dito, pwede kayong mag-visit sa investment centers namin. So just to go back, just click the X. Okay. And then below you will see the terms and conditions. You just click on this. So for the terms and conditions, pwede niyo po basahin dito kung ano yung laman ng ating terms and conditions. And also a reminder to those who have an account with First Metro Securities, you are required to update your account every 2 years. So palatandaan na your account is already due for updating is you will receive an email from the account update team of First Metro Securities. So after that, you can simply exit this one. So to go back, just click the side, yung sa center. Okay. So the next thing we will explore is the profile tab. So this one, ito yung makikita natin sa upper right part ng ating application. So if you click this, you will see the details of your account number. You will also see details of your session timeout, login options, and trading options. So for the account number, this is your OTA code or the OTA. Just also a reminder lang din, if you fund your account, make sure to use the account code. Do not delete, do not add any details, say numbers or letters. kasi we will be experiencing a delay when it comes to funding your account. So kung ano yung account number na nandito, yun lang din yung gagamitin ninyo sa pag-enter ng subscriber account number or the reference number. So for the session timeout, this allows you to choose the logout option if hindi nyo ginagamit yung app. So say, set new session timeout for 30 minutes. So kahit hindi nyo pa ginagamit yung account in 30 minutes, so continue pa rin kayo na naka-login. And then you also have the option to remember your username and your password. And then if ever you made some changes, so just click the apply changes. Okay? So we are now done with the account. So we will now begin exploring the features of the FirstMetroSec GO app. So notice here sa baba, we have the market tab. We also have the stock, trade, portfolio, and the watch list. So first, let us first explore yung sa market tab. So basically, this will show you kung ano yung nangyari sa market kanina. If you click this drop down, ito yung other datas na ma-retrieve natin under market. So we have here index, sub-indices, local and foreign trades, top gainers, worst losers, most active and top traded, the news, and the FirstMetroSec. So let us first explore index. So sa index, basically, we will see here the number or kung ano na yung PSE natin, PSEI. So we have here the market close at 6,879.59. You will also see here kung ilan yung points and percentage changes. So if it's red, meaning bumaba. If it's green, meaning tumaas. You will also see here the chart of the PSEI. Next, you will see here the volume and value trades. Sa baba naman, you will see here the stocks that went up, down, those unchanged, and the total issues. If you click the up and down, if you click the up and down, you will be redirected to the top gainers and worst losers. So it's like a shortcut. If you click the unchanged and total, you will be redirected naman sa most active and top traded. We will explore this one later. So let's go back to the index tab. Next, we will explore the sub-indices. So under the sub-indices, you will see here the points and percentage changes of our PSEI and the sub-indices. So we have here the finance, industrial, holdings, property, service, and mining and oil. Next, let's explore local and foreign trades. So you will see here the activity of our local traders and our foreign traders. So under local, you will see here if ilan yung buy and sell transactions, as well as dun sa foreign side. So you will notice na 57% of the market are from the locals and 43% are from the foreigners. Sa local naman, you will see here that they are net sellers kasi mas malaki ang value ng sellers. For the foreigners, so they are net buyers. So next, we will explore the top gainers and worst losers. So you will see here the top 10. If you click sa pinakababa, you can automatically build a watch list based on the top gainers and worst losers. So to do this, you just click the top gainers. You will be asked kung saang watch list nyo siya isi-save. So say you want watch list number 5. You have the option to proceed sa watch list para ma-review ninyo. And then you click replace. And you will see here na the top 10 of the top gainers. So to go back, just tap the X icon. And same goes with the top losers. So just say, let's select watch list 1, replace, and these are your top 10 worst losers. Okay. Next, the most active and top traded. So the same thing, you can build a watch list and also pwede nyo isabay yung dalawa. Like Okay. So another shortcut I'm gonna show you is this one. If you click on a specific stock, say TEL, you will be redirected to the Quick Info tab. So under sa Quick Info tab, you will see the top 5 bid and ask volume of TEL. And sa baba, you will see the time transactions. So you will see kung anong time siya na-execute, its price, the number of volume, as well as the buyer and seller. So the buyer and seller, ito yung ating brokers. So next, if you swipe to the right, you will see TEL's market price, its points equivalent change, and percentage. You will also see the top bid and ask price. Ito yung summary or the total of those top 5 bid and ask trades. You will also see other stock quotations like the average price of TEL, yung previous price niya, yung open, high, low, and its price difference, and the other details. Now, if you swipe to the left naman, you will see the chart of TEL. So you have the option to make it 1 day, 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months. Okay? And if you click more info, you will be redirected na sa stock dashboard. And we will explore it later. So let us go back to the most active and top traded. Okay. So after you build your watch list, notice this bar below. If you swipe this up, shortcut din siya for your watch list. So you can see your watch list 1, 2, 3, and 5. You will also see here portfolio, the briefcase, and the PSEI. So to go back, just click this one or i-drag mo siya pababa. Next thing is the news. So the news basically tells you or shows you the details of your PSE news and the FirstMetroSec Twitter page. Okay, if you click any of this link, so this one, the latest, you will be redirected to the PSE website or depende kung anong klaseng report siya. And to go back, and simple lang, you just change your view. Okay, for the FirstMetroSec, actually, for the Twitter, since may changes pa si Twitter, it's not updated pa as of now. And lastly, we have the FirstMetroSec. So these are announcements. If you were able to use and notice the FirstMetroSec My Platform, yung pop-up, ito yun siya. So you will see here the account update notice, the Cebu Holdings na removal from the PSE, and other announcements. So sa report naman, this is a summary of our reports from our research team. So let's try. If you click the PSE technical analysis, you will be asked to download. Actually, depende siya. For Android, I think you will be asked to download the file. For iOS, you will be redirected to a browser. Depende na kung it's iOS, Safari or Chrome. So you just click download and then this one. So this is now your technical event report. So to go back again, this one. Okay, so we are now done with the market tab. Next thing we will explore is the stock tab. So under stock tab, we have here stock and the broker. So let me start with the broker. So the broker tells you the broker rankings and the broker activity. So say you want to search the details or the total value or the transactions of a specific broker, dito niya siya ma-access. So say hanapin natin si FMS. So if you click on this, yan, you will be redirected agad sa broker activity. So you will see here kung ano yung top 10 stocks traded ng First Metro Securities. So for this market day, PLC, kasi we heard of the news ng tender offer for the listing ng PLC. So kaya siguro siya active and top one, and also the top sold yung TEL natin. So to go back, yan. click nyo lang yung stock. So let me try to search one stock. So say 80. Yan. Okay. So these are the details of AP. The first one we will explore is the profile. So under profile, you will see here the details of the company. You will also see here its board members, its executives, the contact info, its website, and other details. Because we all know some traders here consider the details or the history of the company as basis kung mag-i-invest ba sila sa company. Also, you will see here details of the company, its price, closing price, that is 38.35. So kahit na mag-change tayo ng screen, nandito pa din yung market price ng stock. You will also see here sa taas yung shortcut ng buy and sell. Pero we will explore that later. The next thing we will do is we'll explore is the research. So sa research tab, you will see here basically the first one, consensus. So we all know consensus tells us what the analysts think of this stock. So for Aboitiz, it's a buy rating because now Aboitiz is currently trading at 38.35. The analysts think that Aboitiz can go as high as 51.80. Kaya ang kaniyang consensus rating is 5, which is a buy. So next, you will see here the market capitalization, its valuation, price performance, and volume activity. So if you are a trader who considers these things, so this is the part of the platform or the application kung saan niyo siya i-explore. The next thing is the stock news. So this is like the one we checked earlier. So the company, any news related about the company, and the disclosures. So say if meron silang declaration of cash dividends, so you will see the report here. Next is we will explore the charts. So under the charts, you have here, same lang din, you will see the 1 day, 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months. Another thing is, actually you can change this one to either a candlestick or a line. You will see it here under sa 5-year, the number. However, I think it's not activated. Baka mahina lang yung internet connection ko. Pero yes, if you want it to be like a candlestick, so dito mo lang siya i-click. The next thing is stock info. So sa stock info, you will see the closing price of Aboitiz, its percentage and points changes. You will also see here the top 5 bid and ask, yung kanyang current summary, and details like the average, previous open, high, low prices, and other details then. So it's basically yung stock info trading. Next, we will explore yung quick quote naman. So sa quick quote, you will see the details nung summary, nung bid and ask. So ito yung kanyang top 5. Sa baba naman, you will see the time, price, volume, and buyer and seller transactions. Next, you will see here the top 10 bid and ask. If doon sa previous part, you saw the top 5, here yung top 10 naman. And the time and sales, more details about the stocks, time and sales transactions. Next, the buyers and sellers. So this tells us kung ano yung top 5 brokers na bumili at nagbenta nung stock na yon. So say for this one, 22% of Aboitiz trades came from call. Same as yung top 5 selling transaction came from this broker. So the rest, itong sa baba yung walang percentage, meaning ito yung part ng mga ibang brokers. And lastly, the volume review. So under the volume review, makikita ninyo dito yung volume weighted average price of that specific stock. So say for this, people think or they trade Aboitiz at 38.35. Ito yung total volume niya and the total volume. And this is equivalent to 17% of the total transactions of Aboitiz in terms of yung volume. And also, let me go back sa ating top 10 bid and ask. If you click the bid or the ask, you will be redirected na dun sa shortcut nung trade tab. If doon sa ating FirstMetroSec mine, ito yung quick trade na makikita niyo sa right side ng ating platform. So sa FirstMetroSec Go Up version, dito siya. You just click the bid and ask. And aside from that, you also have the option to click or tap the buy and sell transactions etong nasa taas. Okay. So should you decide to sell or buy Aboitiz, so you just click this one. So that's our stock tab. Let's now explore yung ating trade tab. So the first thing is this wallet icon. So the wallet icon tells you your cash or your buying power. And next, if you click this drop down, so you have the option to view your new order, view orders, and conditional orders. Okay, so if you want to buy a stock, simply click buy. And then we have here the type of orders. So we have here the most common, the limit, and the other conditional orders. We will explore this one later then. And should you want like the definition lang of that stock, you can click this information icon. So it will provide you the definition of that type of order. So next, you input your stock. So say you want 80. Okay. So you just click this get quote and you will be provided of the top 5 bid and ask nung Aboitiz. Next, the quantity. So if you click this drop down, you will see here the allowed volume for this transaction. So AP is traded in increments of 100. So ito yung minimum, the maximum is, actually you can input the maximum. So let's try that, ito, 200. So, okay, so 100. Okay. Yan. So the price, you can click the drop down to see kung ano yung top 5 bid and ask. And for the expiry, so we have here 3 types. So we have the day, good till week, or good till month na order. So say if you've decided to buy this one. So, okay. Yan. For the expiry, it will be indicated sa side kung kailan mag-expire yung order ninyo. Same thing goes sa good till month. And then, ito yung value. If you click on this, you will be provided of the charges breakdown. So we have here the gross, yung fees, and the commission, and the net amount. So if you are okay with the order, you just click preview, and you will be provided of the review tab. So if okay na sa inyo, you just input your password and confirm. And once you've made an order, it will appear here na sa view orders. If also you've made some conditional orders, it will also appear here. So let me share to you the details of our conditional orders. Okay. So can you see my screen now for our conditional orders? Okay. So for the conditional orders we have here, you need to remember these things. A conditional order requires 3 important inputs. So we have here yung trigger price. Ang trigger price natin is ito yung the price that must be reached by the stock, or ito yung condition before the order is posted. Next, we have the limit price. So limit price is the price at which you want to fill your order or better. Expiry, ito yung length ng inyong order. So what we saw kanina, we have the the day, good till week, and good till month. So naka-highlight na din dito sa screen kung ano yung limit price. So the limit price is the green, the trigger price is the red, and the expiry is yun yung ating yellow. So to define, these are the type of your conditional orders. So first, we have the stock. So for example, meron kayong, suppose meron kayong 10,000 shares of XYZ na stock. So gusto ninyong mag-cut loss as soon as the price goes below the support. Pwede kayong mag-instruct sa system to post a sell order if the price go down to 51.75. So yung ating 51.75, ito yung considered natin na trigger price. So to increase your chance of all your shares being sold, so consider making your limit price lower than trigger price. So to input this one sa ating application, so the limit price is 51.50 and then the trigger price is 51.55. So if ever na-reach na yung trigger price na 51, so 51.75, so automatic na ma-post na yung sell order ninyo. The next order is the order cancels order. So using the previous example, pwede kayo mag-extract sa system to post a sell order if the price drops to 51.75, which is considered your stop limit trigger price, to be filled at 51.50, which is your stop limit price. Or another condition, if it breaks out or increases to 55.25, ito yung ating lead trigger price, to be filled at 55, yun naman yung ating lit limit price. So to input, again, yung ating stop limit price is 51.55. Stop trigger, 51.75. Lit limit price is 55. Lit trigger is 55.25. Next is the buy on breakout. So assume that you only want to buy a stock XYZ if it finally breaks above the 52.75 resistance. So pwede rin kayong mag-instruct sa system to post a buy order once the trigger price goes up to 55. And to ensure na yung order ninyo will be fully filled, you may buy up to 56, which is considered your limit price. So say based on this photo, yung ating resistance level is 52.75. So say gusto ninyo buy yung stock na yun, yung ating trigger price is 55, tapos yung limit price is 56. Okay, so let's go back to the navigation. Yan. So if you posted a conditional order already, so dito nyo lang makikita sa conditional order tab. And notice the icon sa right side. If you click this one, you will see all your instructions, your pending instructions, your triggered instructions, canceled and rejected. And also if you check on the view orders, you will see here your open, match, canceled and rejected orders. Okay, so basically, yun yung ating trade tab. Next, we will explore the portfolio. So sa portfolio, you will see here your stock holdings and also your funds and as well as your cash. So since this is a demo account lang ng ating FirstMetroSec GO, wala siyang makikitang data. Next, you have the stock portfolio. So you will see here the details of your stock. You will see its code, you will see its last price, yung market value, kung anong price niya siya na-purchase, and yung kanyang percentage changes. And also yung funds. You will be able to see your mutual funds holdings. You will also see its NAV-PS, your available shares, its market value, and the profit and loss. So basically, that's our portfolio. Next is the watch list. So again, the same thing sa ating My Platform. You can save up to 5 watch lists. You also have the option to view your portfolio and the PSEI. Okay. So ito yung watch list natin kanina based on the top 10 worst losers. So let us explore the watch list tab. So to add a watch list or to add a stock sa watch list, you just click this magnifying icon and then input lang. So say you wanna add AP. So just click this one. Sorry. Okay, you just click AP, add AP to watch list. Click OK. Okay, this one. So each watch list, you are only allowed to add 30 stocks. So for this, since nag-exceed na siya, let's try to delete a watch list. So you just click this one, the pencil icon. You click this delete icon and then click done. So again, to add, you just type in the stock code, say AP. Okay. And then, let me try that again. Yan. So, ganun lang. Mag-add. So, add AP to watch list. Yan. Ito siya sa pinakababa. Okay. So, on the drop down naman, so you will see these details. So, the first thing we'll explore the projected. The projected is only available before the market opens. It tells you what's the projected price of that specific stock. Okay, let's change our watch list. Let's try checking the PSEI. Next, next the bid and ask. So you will see here the total bid and ask price and volume of your stocks. Next, you will see last high and low prices. So say for the last price, akong sa taas, the price difference, this one, the 4.50, and the percentage change. And sa high and low naman, so this is the highest price, so 674. The lowest price is 662. Next thing, the last volume and value. So say we have here the last price of Ayala Corporation at 662.50. Ito din yung difference in terms of the points, and then the percentage change, yung kanyang total value traded and the total volume traded sa baba. Okay. Next, we have the year-to-date, month-to-date, and in terms of percentage. So ito sa year-to-date, and ito naman yung sa month-to-date. Next, we have the 52-week high and low. So ito, favorite ko din to. Kasi you will see here the lowest and highest price of that stock in the last 52 weeks. So say for Ayala, yung lowest price na in the last 52 weeks was 585. Ang highest price naman niya is 735. The third number you will see here is yung kanyang current market price. Next, we have the market capitalization. So you will see here the total number of shares of that stock and its total market capitalization. Next, we have the dividend yield. So under the dividend yield, you will see here kung ano yung dividend price in the last 12 months and then yung yield. And then PE ratio, you will see here the earnings per share and yung kanyang PE ratio. And the consensus. So again, sa consensus, it's what the analysts think of this stock. So Ayala is a buy because the target price is 917.20. So you have a potential profit of 38.40. Okay. And then if you click this one beside, this is like a card icon. So ito yung ating ticker. So this is only active during the market hours. Okay. Let me just go back to other details. I think I missed on this, the research tab. Let me go back sa research tab and explore the FirstMetroSec reports section. So say you wanna check on a specific stock, you wanna review kung ano yung thoughts ng aming research team. So you will see it here sa ating FirstMetroSec na portion under research. So if you wanna check, so just click this one, download the file. Okay. Let's just wait for it to download. Yeah, so if you click this one, yan. So ito yung Traders Playbook report ng ating research team. So under Traders Playbook, you will see here the company and kung ano nangyari sa company and why what contributed to that price, ang view ng aming research team, and the recommendation. So usually the recommendation tells us kung ano yung trading, call to action trading natin. So for this, you accumulate once AP pulls back to 36.50 or 36. Then you set stop limit orders below 33.80. So dito na natin ma-apply yung conditional order. You will also see the technical corner. So you will be provided of the chart na instead of ikaw na yung magpa-plot ng chart. You will also see here details of its peers, and then other details. Okay, so to go back, we have this one. Next, I want to show you some of the... Another thing is instead of clicking this drop-down icon, you can simply swipe to the left or to the right. So I guess that's our FirstMetroSec website navigation. Allow me to share my other screen. Okay. So one feature we added sa FirstMetroSec Go app is for you to receive notifications. So to do this, make sure lang na the notification is enabled. So you will see here notifications of what happened to the market, some market updates then. Okay. And yeah, so I guess that's it. So that's our FirstMetroSec Go app. So I hope I hope you found value in exploring its features. So including na yung ating pag-set up sa account, yung security measures, also the real-time data and research, and yung seamless trading functionality, and of course, yung ating intuitive portfolio management options. So before we dive sa ating live Q&A session, I'd like to share some fascinating insights lang. So to those who do not have an account with FirstMetroSec yet, opening is simple. So you just download the application. For quick access, just scan the QR code displayed on your screen, and then you click sign up now and fill out the forms and then upload the required documents. And don't forget to enter the seminar code GO2024 when you are asked how you learned about us. So just a quick review lang kung ano yung ating mga requirements. So we have initial funding of 1,000, one valid ID, also 3 signatures on a white piece of paper, proof of address, and the proof of bank account. I think some of you heard the 5,000 pa yung ating initial deposit. It's not yet fully activated pa kasi sa system yung 1,000. So I also encourage you to use this code na GO2024 if ever mag-sign up kayo kasi we will use this as monitoring kung sino yung nag-open ng account using this code para at least ma-activate yung ating 1,000 na funding. Next, so our March event. So we also have to invest in knowledge, di ba? So I'm inviting you to register sa remaining webinars ng aming team for this month. So for quick access, you just scan the QR code. So we are now done on the first 3 webinars for the month. So the next webinar would be this Thursday. So register na for you to get a notification and para makasali na din kayo sa webinar. So next, stay connected with First Metro Securities across all our social media platforms. So you can find us on social media by searching for our official handle at FirstMetroSec and be part of our growing community. So explore our website at www.firstmetrosec.com.ph for more information. For any customer or account-related inquiries, so just feel free to reach out to us via email. So mag-send lang kayo ng email sa customer service at firstmetrosec.com.ph. And you can also invite us for a free, take note, free webinar. So simply email lang sa marketeducation@firstmetrosec.com.ph. So lastly, before dun sa ating live Q&A, I encourage you to take a moment to share your thoughts and suggestions by completing this feedback form. So any feedback, say gusto ninyong meron kaming topic, bagong topic na i-discuss sa aming webinars, pwede din. Should you have any suggestions sa aming platforms, pwede. Or just any feedback, sharing kung paano, how much do you love First Metro Securities? Okay, so it's Q&A time. So earlier, I encouraged you, baka meron kayong questions na related sa FirstMetroSec GO app or kahit sa account. So please key in lang or type nyo lang sa ating chat box. Okay, so I'm seeing questions na din. So the first question we have is, can we do cash withdrawals using the app? As of now, withdrawal via the application is not yet available. So you can request or you must request via the platform yung sa online. So sa FirstMetroSec My platform or the FirstMetroSec Pro platform. So just a reminder, meron tayong trading with cut-off for the withdrawal, which is 12 noon. So if you request before 12 noon, it will be processed same day na din. And then if your bank is Metro Bank, I think it will be credited within the day before 5 p.m. If other banks, since may clearing siya, baka next day na din siya, ma-credit sa funds. Next, is all these features of the apps applicable to non-FirstMetroSec Pro user? Yan. If you are a FirstMetroSec Pro user, automatic na siya ma-integrate sa application mo. So, say for the FirstMetroSec Pro, meron yung conditional orders. If you check dun sa FirstMetroSec GO app ninyo, so available din siya. If ever naman na hindi po kayo pro, so those orders lang na limit and then the lit yung available. So when will the funds be functionality be improved? Currently, the app just allows for monitoring of funds portfolio. So yes, Ms. Elaine, we are continuously improving our platform. So soon, ma-integrate na din yung ating funds. And also, good news, I think good news din talaga to sa inyo. Kasi sa ating My Platform din, we will be integrating a new feature which you can sort na yung mga dividend yield funds. So hopefully, available na din sana siya sa FirstMetroSec GO. Pero for sure, we will, since it's also a demand na din, so we will for sure integrate that feature sa FirstMetroSec GO para all-in-one na talaga. So question from Sir Glenn, 100K na ako, but di ko pa ma-access ang Pro? Yeah, Sir Glenn, actually hindi po siya automatic. So you have to send an email sa customer service and then we will activate that. Activation is every Wednesday po. If it's okay with you, I'll get your details, tapos I will endorse it for activation. Since of Wednesday, yeah, tomorrow na yung activation ng ating Pro. So next question, is there a timeline on when can we expect the funds and account sections available? Actually, for this po, I cannot disclose pa po kung kailan siya available. Pero if ever available na po, for sure, we will be notifying you and also we will send posts siguro sa social media namin or sa mga announcements. Next question from Sir Erwin, is there a way we can do and save technical analysis in the charts? If you are using po the FirstMetroSec GO, as of now, it's not yet available. So you can utilize that function sa ating Pro, if you are a Pro na po user, or doon sa ating My. May option kasi doon na you can save all your edits. If you are the type of trader na nagsaset na doon ng mga support, resistance, so you can do that sa ating My and Pro. And then we have here, I'm currently using the traditional FMS in the web. Can we access the Pro? For you to check po if you are eligible for the Pro access, so you can send an email sa customer support. So actually, it's open to all. Meron lang siyang eligibility. So you must have I think 200,000 sa stocks portfolio. And then you have a total of 100,000 na trading, like the buy and sell for the month. And good thing, hindi din po nag-expire yung ating Pro. So you can use it anytime. So yeah, any more questions po? Anyway, if you have questions naman then you can always send an email sa aming customer service email, yung customer service at firstmetrosec.com.ph. Okay. So I guess that's it. So those are our question and answer session. So once again, thank you for joining me and Andre tonight and staying until the end of the webinar. So we have here 44 participants na nagstay talaga. So I'd like to thank you again. And also, don't forget to sign up sa aming mga remaining events for this month. Kasi we always look forward to having you join us. Kasi you must also remember investing isn't just about stocks. So it's also investing in knowledge. So here at First Metro Securities, as much as possible, we really give an effort to provide you all the basic education. So just to mention, meron kaming basic education on stock trading. That's what we call BEST. So you can attend that one. And we also have advanced webinar sessions that is gift. So sa mga pro users, it's conducted by our consultant, Mr. Aaron Sai. So once again, here at First Metro Securities, we prioritize your future first. So thank you so much, everyone, and have a wonderful evening. Hope to see you sa aming next webinar. Thank you so much.